Oh, hey, don't mind me. I'm just designing an electric boat. Do I know what I'm doing? So that's fair. No, I really don't. But I have 15 weeks in FIS 499 independent study. I'm a senior. I'm a 56-year-old senior. Yeah, I'm one of them. I'm going to learn everything about boats. Not just boats, but electric boats specifically. But I'm going to learn about boats too. This is going to be crazy. My research this semester in school, I'm going to publish all of my results at electricboatnews.com. Yeah, come hang out. Follow along. I'm designing a boat. Wait. Help.